Alright, so I am freaking right now. I'm in FR Legends, right? Don't get me wrong, good game. Alright, we're on a map that I got from frlbot.com, I think. Yeah. Let's start this thing. Hold on here. Alright, never mind. Gotta make sure I'm screen recording. I'm in a BMW E30 something. Yeah, struggling to get up downhill. It's okay. But yeah, I'm on a custom map. It's called Lookout, I think, or Lockout, one of the two. But it's a classic from like a Need for Speed game. Yeah. I'm currently going backwards right now from the map. I started it and I wanted to screen record, but I was already done with the map, so I just screen recorded going backwards. Actually, on insane speed. Yeah. The map that I'm currently using for the custom map is... Damn, I forgot. Hold on. Yeah, I couldn't even look at it right now. No! No. That was Kansas. Yep, Kansas. Yo, is this AI okay? I'm gonna repair my car real quick. Some of the maps, some parts of the maps are like cut out for some reason. You can see the entire map like up there on the mountain range. It's really easy to get to it. Let's go up here. And then it's literally right over here. I'm gonna do it the original way. And I fell off again. It's okay though. It's totally okay. Damn it! See, like, it's crazy. Alright, let's go over here. Hopefully this posts to YouTube. It may be a little too long, but that's definitely okay right now. I am zooming right now. No! 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 Alright, last try, and then if I fall again, I'm gonna stop recording. Go up here. Oh, ambition jump, AO. Alright, last try. If I fall, I'm gonna stop recording. Hey, if I post this, I want you to rate 3 things out of 10. 1, my drifting, 2, my car, and 3, the map. Pull off a little 360 right there. You already know. Oops. That's too close for more like it. Yeah. Probably not gonna talk very much. Yeah, I've already yapped like the whole video, but yeah. From now on, I don't think I'm gonna talk very much. There is a huge jump there. And that's the end of the map, guys. See y'all later. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.